Bam! All right, so we have a new snack today. It's a Pokemon snack, as you can see. And so let's read some of this stuff on here and get to the snack. So the top part says Pokemon. Or let's let you see Pokemon snack. Snack. So Pokemon snack, accompanied by Tohato, Saku Saku, Saku Saku na. And what's this say? Shokan. So crispy texture, and you can see a little picture of this cat looking thing. Purin aji, and pudding flavor. And let's see what this says right here. Gyunu o kakete and aisu ni nosete mo oishii yo. So yeah, it's a little weird. So even if you pour on milk or stretch, because I know no sete is like the stretch, but it's delicious. Oishi, it's delicious even if you put it on milk or ice cream, something of the sort. So a little fishy, but any Japanese people can put that in, you know, easier terms. But it's saying something about even if you pour it on milk or put it on milk, or if you put it on ice cream, it's delicious. That was a hard one right there. Let's see, Pokemon Siru, and Geto Shio. So so right here it's saying Pokemon Seal, but we call it a sticker. And Geto Shio, like let's get the stickers, get the, I guess, get the stickers. And I guess it's saying this special one, which is Tarapados, Gosa. And so that's Tarapados, whatever. All right. Sorry for the technical difficulties. So, Shiru, Ichimai Iri, which is one sticker inside. Iri is enter. Mai is a counter for flat objects. So a sticker would be a flat objects or an object. And then Zen right here is all 40 is Yonju. And what is this right here? Shurui. Shurui is in kind. So there's 40 different kinds in total is what it's saying. So there's 40 stickers, and this sticker is what you want to get. Tarapados, whatever, the special sticker everyone loves. You can see all these characters. Pikachu, I don't even know who that is anymore. And right here, Pocketo Monster. And then you have it. So all this right here, what's in there? Who knows? And let's see. And then you get this little side view of all this. And I am not about to translate all this right now. So if you want to know, let me know. So open it right here. Oh, and so what you get. And so you get a little bag right here. And that looks cool. It's just a little Pikachu. And then start. And then that guy. And then let's open it. Smells good too. I can smell the chocolate. Oh, and this is not a kid-friendly bag. So let's. Yay! All right. Whoa. So let's see. We got little candies right here, and they look like little Pikachus or whatever. Let's get up there. They tried. So let's taste it. Oh my God! Oh my God! So it tastes like cereal. Oh my. It's really sweet. I don't taste anything in there though. Alright, I'm gonna bite one and show you. So there's nothing in there. But it tastes like Captain Crunch and something else. I don't know. Oh yeah, this is the jam right here. Woo! Bravo. This is a snack right here. Now, the rating for this snack, boy, it's good. I don't know. I'm just gonna give it a 10. That's a good snack. Like I would actually buy a whole bunch of these, put them in the corner, stock them up. They just taste like a cereal but sweeter, and you just enjoy it. You don't even need any milk. And there's forgot about the most important part, the Shiru. All right, sticker. And so let's look at that closely. And you can see there, nothing. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh my. It's another one of these hard things. Hold up. They don't make this easy. So let's see what mystery sticker I got. Ready, guys? Boo! Rare coil. That's some bull. I'm mad about that. I should have got the other thing. And all it says is rare coil. So rare coil. That's some bull. Alright. I'm done. Oh, and look at the back real quick. Oh. Yeah. Nothing to it. I'm mad. Alright. But the snack is great. So give it a 10. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe. And if you understand some of this other stuff or even this part, let me know. Alright. See ya.